I've left a mark on me. You've been as constant as a